Best cordless drills are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of, and put up 5 lists of the best cordless drills from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. We have included links in the description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Milwaukee 2904-20 Hammer Drill. Experience exceptional performance with the Milwaukee 1/2 inch cordless hammer drill, engineered to deliver power, precision, and convenience in a compact package. With a maximum speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute and a torque of 1,400 inch-pounds, this drill handles demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're driving screws, drilling into wood, metal, or concrete, this tool rises to the challenge, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What sets this hammer drill apart is its remarkable power-to-weight ratio. At just 3.3 pounds and measuring only 7 inches from tip to tail, it easily fits into tight spaces, reducing user fatigue during extended projects. Its 3 speed settings give you full control over speed and torque, allowing you to adjust for delicate tasks or heavy-duty applications. The built-in auto-stop feature adds an extra layer of safety, instantly shutting off the motor if the bit binds, preventing over-rotation and potential damage. Designed for durability and reliability, the Milwaukee 1/2 inch hammer drill combines high performance with thoughtful engineering. While it may not be the absolute fastest or most powerful cordless drill on the market, its compact size, lightweight design, and robust feature set make it the ultimate all-around tool. Perfect for workshops, job sites, or home projects, this drill delivers efficiency, versatility, and safety in every use. Upgrade your toolkit with the Milwaukee 1/2 inch cordless hammer drill. Powerful performance, compact design, and smart features, all in one exceptional tool. Number 2. Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit. The Skil PWRCORE 20V cordless drill delivers impressive performance in a compact and lightweight package, making it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners alike. Despite its small size, this drill boasts a maximum speed of 1,800 revolutions per minute and 400 inch-pounds of torque, allowing it to tackle a variety of tasks, from drilling holes in wood and metal to driving screws with ease. Its performance is especially notable when used as a driver, effortlessly handling 3-inch screws without strain. Weighing just 2.23 pounds, without the battery, the Skil PWRCORE drill is exceptionally easy to handle, reducing fatigue during extended projects. Its narrow, ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, allowing for precise control and maneuverability in tight spaces. The drill features 2 speed settings and a built-in LED work light, ensuring you have the versatility and visibility needed for any job. While it may struggle with some larger drill bits, particularly 1-inch spade bits, this is a minor trade-off considering its lightweight design, ease of use, and incredible value. Unlike premium cordless drills that can cost over $300, the Skil 20V drill kit delivers solid performance at just $80, making it a smart choice for those seeking affordability without sacrificing quality. Compact, lightweight, and user-friendly, the Skil PWRCORE 20V cordless drill is a dependable tool for everyday projects. Whether you're drilling, driving, or tackling household repairs, this drill offers reliable performance, exceptional control, and unbeatable value in one convenient package. Number 3. DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill. Take your drilling projects to the next level with the DeWalt XR 20V cordless drill, a flagship tool designed for unmatched power and versatility. With a maximum speed of 2,000 revolutions per minute, this drill delivers lightning-fast performance, making it one of the quickest tools in its class. Drilling a 1/2 inch hole through a 2x4 takes mere seconds, while even a 1-inch paddle bit moves through it effortlessly. Its raw power is perfectly complemented by 3 adjustable speed settings, giving you precise control for every task, from driving screws without stripping heads to heavy-duty drilling. Safety and usability are top priorities with the DeWalt XR. The anti-rotation feature automatically shuts off the motor if it detects excessive rotational motion, protecting your wrist and reducing fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the built-in adjustable work light ensures visibility in dark or confined spaces, enhancing accuracy and safety. While this drill weighs 4.1 pounds, tool only, its relatively compact 7.6-inch head length allows it to fit into tighter spaces than many other high-powered drills. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during long projects, making it suitable for both professional contractors and serious DIY enthusiasts. Though it's an investment, the DeWalt XR20V cordless drill is a reliable, high-performance tool built to handle demanding projects with ease. From woodworking and construction to home renovations, this drill offers professional-grade power, versatile speed control, and advanced safety features in one robust, expertly engineered package. Number 4. Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. Unleash unmatched drilling performance with the Flex 24V cordless drill, engineered for professionals who demand speed, power, and reliability. Delivering a maximum speed of 2,500 revolutions per minute and 1,400 inch-pounds of torque, this drill powers through wood, metal, and even cement with ease. During testing, it drilled multiple half-an-inch twist bit holes and 1-inch spade bit holes in under 3 seconds each, showcasing its incredible efficiency and smooth operation. Even a 3/8-inch bit in solid cement posed no challenge, highlighting its exceptional durability and power. The Flex drill is built for control and safety. Its anti-rotation feature protects your wrist and arm by automatically shutting off the motor if excessive rotation is detected. Additionally, the turbo button allows you to temporarily boost torque, giving you the extra punch needed for tough materials or demanding applications. These professional-grade features make it a versatile tool for a wide range of projects. Though slightly heavier at 3.9 pounds, tool only, and with a larger profile, this drill offers a compact 7.1-inch head length, giving it reasonable access to moderately tight spaces. Its solid construction and ergonomic design ensure comfortable handling during extended use, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications in construction, woodworking, and remodeling. The Flex 24V cordless drill is a high-performance, pro-level tool that delivers power, speed, and advanced safety features in one robust package. For those who prioritize performance over compactness, this drill is the ultimate solution for tackling even the toughest jobs with precision and efficiency. Number 5. Ryobi 18V1 Plus Compact Cordless Hammer Drill. The Ryobi 18V cordless hammer drill delivers impressive performance in a compact and lightweight design, making it a perfect choice for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. With a maximum speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute and 750 inch-pounds of torque, this drill handles most household projects with ease. Whether you're driving screws, drilling into wood, or tackling small masonry tasks, the Ryobi hammer drill offers reliable performance at a fraction of the cost of premium drills. During testing, the drill efficiently bored 5 1-inch holes with a spade bit, drove 3-inch screws into stacked 2x4s, and handled a half-an-inch twist bit with ease when switched to hammer drill mode. It can even bore into concrete with a 3/8-inch bit, though larger bits may push the limits of its power. This makes it a versatile tool for everyday tasks without the premium price tag. What makes the Ryobi hammer drill stand out is its ergonomics and portability. Weighing just 2.3 pounds, tool only, with a short 6.75-inch head, it's easy to maneuver in tight spaces and reduces user fatigue during extended use. Its slim profile and great power-to-weight ratio allow for precise control while maintaining comfort, making it ideal for both quick fixes and longer projects around the home. Affordable, lightweight, and versatile, the Ryobi 18V cordless hammer drill is an excellent value for anyone looking to tackle a wide range of household tasks efficiently. Compact yet capable, it's the perfect addition to any toolkit for everyday DIY projects.